a young family, and I know what it's like. I got elected in 1974 in my first election. We got married in October, and I ran in November, and won that first election. And you haven't hit Paulette yet. She's a saint for putting up with me, but I can tell you, when this gal here was born in 1976, now they all know your age, when she was born, Paulette did put down her foot, and it was time. I was out at meetings all over the place, and I remember Paulette saying, it's time for family. And I knew I wanted to go to university and get a degree, and did that while I was teaching. But Paulette always said, someday, if you're still interested, then go back to it. When I'm back to work and the kids are in school, so I couldn't wait for '88 to come around. So anyway, back in '88, I ran again, and then went through a few more elections there, and then the 2 provincial. But you know, when I have that next generation here, Emma being 3, and Kate, unfortunately, couldn't be here today. She's 1. To have those little gals, and not to have the same advantage that Paulette has, to see them every day. But it would be nice to see them a few times in a week. But to rush home on a weekend, sometimes it can really tear at your heartstrings. And so that's why I'm going to have some formal messages there in a few moments. I do want to say there's one person in particular before I mention Paulette that I forgot to mention in here. I've had a wonderful group of executive members and association members who have been behind me since I started at Queen's Park. But I can tell you, there's one fella in this hall right today that worked absolutely tirelessly for me in 2002 when I was seeking that nomination. I don't know, Peter Whiteside. Where is Peter right now? Right back there. I'll never forget the night of the nomination. Peter almost took, with the hug that he gave me, I was almost deflated. There was a man who never stopped for a minute. And if we signed up 1,056 new members, come out and 80% of them showed up, Peter was responsible for about the 80% that showed up. But I want to say, Peter, thank you for all that you did for me. I'm standing here because of a lot of